Kristen. Hope you're doing good today. Today I have a TrendSend unboxing for you. If you don't know about TrendSend, there is no styling fee. I have a link down below for a code. And I think they give you something, but I'm not exactly 100% sure. But if you're wondering, this top here I have, it's really cute on. It is from Wantable. I got that in a box. So if you're new to my channel, I do subscription unboxings. I do TrendSend, Stitchfix, Trunk Club, Wantables. So if you like those kind of videos, please subscribe if you're new and keep on watching. I haven't opened the box as of yet, so here it is. Within the box, you get 3 outfits, and you get your paperwork and also your return shipping papers. And within here, there's a note from your stylist about outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3, and it's Lori R is my stylist. And here's your price sheet. The prices look kind of high. I always ask for sale stuff, so we'll see what she sent. So let's see. So the first one, let me put this box down. So the first little bundle looks like this. And it says, everyone has gold inside. It's really cute. And let's see which outfit this is. Let's see here. I don't know. We'll find out here once we open it. Okay. So the first top looks like an off-the-shoulder top with some bell sleeves here. It's kind of cute. It's cinched at the bottom. See if you can see that. It's cinched at the bottom. Let's read what it says. It is the Alison Joy Evereve Earth Rose is the color, and it's a size small, and it's $68. There. It's kind of like a burnt orange color. Okay. Next, what we have here looks like a short shirt. What is this? Oh, it's a tank top. Okay. So it's a white tank, and it looks like there's a little ruffle in the center. It's kind of cute. And it's kind of short. But let's see. It is, it's the Bobby color white, size extra small. And it's a ruffle back tank, and it's $40. Here we go. Next is the Sanctuary Piece with Release Hem $99 pants. They have their camo, and they have like a hem here that's cut off. These are cute. So what I'll do, and those were $99. So what I'll do is you'll see a split screen, and it'll have the whole outfit on. And next bundle is right here. And it says, Mama, you're doing fine. It's really cute. And let's open that up. Okay. So here's the first top. It's cute. Looks like it's a cold shoulder top, black. Okay. And let's read the description. It is the Peyton Jensen Veronica cut top, size extra small, and it's $68. All right. Next is this top here. White top, has a hood, little pocket in the front, but in the back it's open and crisscross. kind of like a racer back within the back. And let's read the description. It is Free People, Back Into It hoodie, and it's $88. Okay. Next, we have some jeans. And these are what they look like. And it looks like there's distressing on it, and also on the back there's distressing. So these are on sale. These are blank New York mid-rise skinny, and they were $88. Marked down to $69.99, marked down to $49.99. So she sent me a sale item. We'll try these on. That's really cute. And then you'll see the outfit on the side. Okay, the last bundle. Here it is. And it has Love Like a Mom. It's really cute. Oh, I've seen people get this dress, I think. Looks like it, no, it is a cinch dress. I'm not a fan of these. Okay, so it's a blue navy dress, and it looks like it's bunched out the side. It looks like there's a slit. And let's read the tag here. It's an Allison Joy Maddie ruched dress, and it's $78. And then they have it paired with this jean jacket, which is really distressed. Really distressed all over and on the back as well. And then it's Moon River distressed denim jacket, and it's $98. So I'll put that outfit in the split screen over there. So the total, what you do is you decide what you want, and you can send back whatever you don't want within 5 days. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you like. I'm probably going to keep the jeans right here because they're on sale and they're the cheapest. I absolutely love the camo pants. They fit perfect, but I think I'm going to have to wait because $99 is just way too much right now. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.